Hi, I'm Reinaldo and welcome to Ray Purpose Made. Thank you for watching. This is my YouTube channel where I take you through my furniture making process and show you that any old piece of furniture can also be a custom piece of art. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Enjoy. Are you looking for a desk? Are you looking for a TV stand? Are you looking for a desk that's also a TV stand? Are you looking for a custom desk that's also a TV stand that also fits in a corner? That is what is happening today. I am constructing a desk slash TV stands, actually slash bookshelf for a good friend's son, Sean, so that he can have an all-in-one entertainment area where one space you can work, one space you can watch TV. As you can see in the sketch over here on the computer screen, that is what's happening today. Now, usually when I construct any kind of desk or any kind of structure, most of the work happens at my studio, the cutting, the sanding, the painting, the pre-work, all of the design, and I come to someone's house and just assemble the object. But when something is built on walls, especially walls that are over 125 years old, you want to I have to make sure that I'm able to cut the pieces to modify based on walls that move. You're not going to find a wall in New York City that's like this at all. You're not going to find a wall and floor combination in New York City that's like this at all. They all move a little bit, and it's my job to make sure that these pieces are modifiable or I can cut a little bit so that they can actually fit and be as they're intended to be. Most of the project is going to be raw wood with a little bit of clear ceiling on it, but there are some highlighted feature pieces that are mostly woodburn. So some of those pieces are right here. They're mostly angles and anchors and shelf hangers, and I found a way to merge art into the actual construction of the project. And then the only other art piece in the project is this hard edge piece here, which is the underside to the lid at the corner of the desk, right where I'm sitting, that little piece that's hanging up right there. So that is all the pieces to the project, and let me get started right now. I want to take a step back from the construction phase for a minute to talk about some of the highlighted pieces in this project. As I mentioned before, Sean wanted a generally raw wood desk and have some of the art features be the woodburn. So as you can see right here, these two pieces are the angled pieces that I use to actually prop up the desk. So they're really important structurally, and then they're also like visually important because those are some of the few pieces that actually have art in it. And then this piece right here is the piece that is, it does a lot because it's actually a shelf angle. It holds up one of the shelves. It is also a piece on the wall that holds up like an anchor to like a major cross piece on the desk. So a lot of the art pieces that I created, you can't necessarily see a lot of it or see all of it or 360 degrees, but they're very important pieces, and I allowed its importance to stand out in art and stand out in actual function. So there's a little highlight. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Ray Purpose piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thank you and keep watching. Designing and building desks are my favorite thing to do by far because you experience desk more than anything else you will have in your house, like a bed or a table, because you do the most things at a desk. And I realize that there are some things that I like to always put in a desk no matter what the design is. And for the same reason too, for wire control. Always like to have the grommet holes that are like kind of a triangle shape, so it's not like too much of a circle or too much in the way, to have the wires slip down between levels of the desk. And I always try to give people at least 2 or 3 hooks on some part of the desk, either to like for more wire management and concealment, but then also just literally to hang other stuff, your book bag, your keys, etc., etc. When it comes to Sean's desk in particular, there really isn't much I would change because it's a really cool piece. I like that it's like not really too much on the floor, so it allows for the space to feel a lot bigger. Because if there were like legs on the front parts of the desk, then it would feel a lot more cumbersome. But because it's just like kind of hanging from the wall with a little bit of space in the corner, it's a really open piece. The one things that I would see places that it can evolve or change is the kind of art that's there. Sean wanted to be really conservative with the art and have it be more of a raw wood plain kind of desk. But there are spaces where maybe like I would just paint things black, like the rim of the desk or something like that. But as far as the construction and design, I don't think there's anything I would change in that. And that doesn't really happen too often. Usually it's like this one little thing I would want to like kind of modify. But we took our time with this. We first